So stackup, right? Stackup is even before you start your layout, do you have the right stackup for performance? Have you picked the materials correctly, not just for electrical performance, but also for manufacturability? Um, I just had a discussion with a customer they're using embedded resistor materials, and that embedded resistor material was not a core, but a foil on top of an inner sub, which makes the yield actually go down quite a bit. So something like that, really has an impact on overall cost, uh, going forward. So understand where your prepregs are and where your cores are, and how the fabricator is going to build your product, I think is super key. And we don't see this enough, but for really sensitive or RF type product, you can specify the resin percentage, which I think is a good idea. If you don't, again, you don't know what you're going to get. If the fabricator prioritizes quality, then you may get your material choices based on quality. If the fabricator prioritizes cost and you're not specifying what you want, then you may get materials that are basically lower cost. So super important. Yeah,
No better way to pissing off your RF guy than putting an inferior material down there and they're wondering why their circuit doesn't work.